Hey everyone, today we're doing a graffiti walk with some printed out sticker sheets. I got loads of these. Not right now, I only have 3. So I got a full sheet of my tag, and then I got a half sheet of characters, and then a full sheet of characters. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Fucking trashed power buffs. The crew. Oh. That's one of these. Gotta put it with the others. Context as to why there's like gonna be fucking 4 stickers on one bench here. I had a good tag on this bench, and then some fucker tagged over me, and then the whole bench was buffed. So that's fun. So over a buffed tag on the video. Legit, probably my best tag. Plus we got a site there too. He's like a local god. So the fact that it's like next to one, that was pretty cool, because that was one of the first ones I ever put up, and then like a day or two later, boom,